Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at the two biggest players in AI-powered coding for 2026, Cursor AI and Windsurf. If you are trying to decide which environment will actually speed up your workflow, here is the direct breakdown. Let us start with Cursor. Built as a direct VS code fork, Cursor integrates AI into every step of your development process. You can simply highlight code, describe the changes you need, and watch it rewrite or explain everything in place. With its repo-aware chat, smart refactors, and full context edits, Cursor feels incredibly polished. It is the ultimate tool for solo developers, fast prototyping, and anyone who wants a stable, tightly integrated, and local coding experience. On the other hand, we have Windsurf. Windsurf takes a completely different approach by focusing on collaborative multiplayer AI. Think of it as Google Docs for code, but much smarter. You can edit files, chat about the code base, and seamlessly bring in teammates. While it might still feel a bit opinionated or early in certain areas, its vision of a shared developer workspace where AI assists the entire team is highly innovative. So which one should you choose in 2026? If you are working solo or need a battle-tested, highly stable environment right now, Cursor is the clear and safer pick. However, if you are building software with a team and want to leverage AI-enhanced collaboration, Windsurf offers some incredible potential that is hard to ignore. Which AI coding assistant are you using this year? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech reviews and tutorials. See you in the next one.